Welcome to the Kaleidoscope channel. This is Breathwork for anger. That big emotion that sometimes explodes all the way out of our body, and we get huge and we want everyone to see how upset we are, and our body just feels like it's going to catch on fire, and it's really hard to feel sometimes. It's really, really hard, but also sometimes it feels good. It feels good to break things and kick things and get big and scary because it's a big, scary emotion. And sometimes it's such a big, scary emotion that we don't even want to feel it big. We want to close it down and silence it and put it in a bottle and cork the top of that bottle and hide it and never let it out, right? Never let it out. How do you respond to anger? Do you get big or do you get quiet? Here's the secret about anger. Are you ready? Are you listening? Anger is actually just fear. Two different emotions happening at the same time. It's a fear of not being in control of getting what you want. Does that make sense? So you want something or you have something and someone takes it away from you or won't give it to you, and you get angry because you are not able to get it back or to bring that thing into your life when you want it so badly. So when you feel angry, there are two things I want you to do, and I'm going to teach you a breathwork practice to help bring that power back into your body. The first thing I want you to do when you feel anger is to acknowledge, I feel angry. Really see that emotion in your own body, and then to also choose a breath pattern and a thought that moves you towards calm. I choose calm. So the way that we're gonna do this today is through a halo active breath. Yeah, halo like on a little angel. It's a circular motion in through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, do it with me now. Out through the mouth. Good, good. Are you ready? So the first thing I want you to do is just close your eyes if you can. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and I want you to place one of your hands on the part of your body where anger feels like it lives. Where does anger come up for you? Send through the power of your hand a hug, some love, some support to that anger, even if it's hard to feel. Just send some love and support. Tell that anger it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay that you're here. Yeah. And now what I want you to do is say, thank you, anger, for showing me I need to slow down and connect to my heart. And now, placing your hands on either side of your body or out in front, breathing in through your nose and thinking, I feel anger, acknowledging that that anger is present in your body. Squeezing your fists while you do it, breathing in. I feel anger, and breathing out and relaxing your hands. I choose calm. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. That's it. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Nice and slow, breathing in. I feel anger, releasing the hands, exhaling, I choose calm. Good, keep breathing in and out, squeezing and relaxing, squeezing and relaxing. Good, a few more moments here. Breathing in, I feel anger. Breathing out, I choose calm as you open those palms to the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. Good. Breathing in, breathing out. I feel anger. I choose calm. Good. And now taking those hands and dropping the breath, just letting your body breathe at its natural pace. Placing those hands open, full of energy, release some of that tension. Placing them on the body where you feel anger. Sending love and support to that part of your body. Now breathing in deep through the nose, filling the breath all the way down into the belly. And saying to yourself or saying out loud as you exhale, I choose calm. It's okay. Choosing what you'd like to do. What would help your anger feel safe? Yeah. What's available to you right now? Because not everything's available all the time. What's available to you? Now, anytime you get angry, you can use this breath, you can use that intention, and you can use the squeezing and releasing of your fists. So that's like 3 tools in one that you can use to find safety in your body again and to step into this place where you're really powerful and in control of your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. I love you so much. Mwah. I'll see you next time.
Alaya here. What's up, Anger McNoodleface? Did you have fun breathing with me today? I hope you learned something super powerful about how to use your breath when anger starts to bubble up. Remember, it's a beautiful emotion and you can choose to let it all drain down into the earth and chill out like that super calm sloth. If this video is helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe so that you can be informed when the next one comes out, and go teach someone this breathwork practice that you've just learned. Show them how smart you are. I'll see you in the next one.